Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. We are in process video number 203 entitled Be Thankful, and this is going to be my first layout featuring the October Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club. Specifically, it features the Echo Park My Favorite Fall collection plus some items from the embellishment add-on kit. So I'm just showing you all of the papers that comes with this mini kit. Each mini kit from the Flavors of the Month kit comes with 2 cardstock and 3 pattern papers, and they are double-sided, so you get a lot of images or designs for the amount of papers or products that you get. Now I am scrapbooking some photos from our Thanksgiving. I believe this one's 2017, and so I just printed them all on as a 3x4 just so that it'll be easy for me to put them on a layout. I usually print my photos before I even have a layout plan for them, because I do mass printing just because it's easier for me to get that done, and it also saves me money on shipping. And so when I have a lot of photos for a specific event, I just print them all as 3x4, even though I don't have a plan for that specific layout already in mind. Now I decided to put my photos kind of in the top center. It's filling up the top 2/3 of my page, and then I'm going to add 2 maybe 3-inch width blocks on the bottom, and then just an inch wide strip on the top. And I will be adding some borders in between them as well, just so that it will cover up some of the seams. And you will see me, I will show those to you once I've adhered almost all of the parts on my layout. Now if you notice, there are some spaces in between my photos as I lay them out, and that was intentional because I wanted to add some 3x4 pieces of paper to go in between those photos. One will house my title, and the other one, initially I wanted it to house my journaling, but I have a lot more to say about this, and so it will just house some stickers. Now I did ink up all of the edges of my papers with some spice marmalade, and I also, with one of the pattern papers, it was just kind of a solid craft color, and so I added some border punch to that using my Fiskars scallop punch. And now I also cut out a 1/4 inch wide border from the black pattern paper, and so I'm going to add that to the top and the bottom. Now because the pattern papers or the products from this collection, it was not made for Thanksgiving, I needed to go pull out some items from my stash just so that I can create the title, because even though all the papers fit well with the season, it didn't have anything that was related to Thanksgiving. And so I pulled this one foam letter that had a few words in there, and I'm going to put the B, and then I'm pulling out the stickers from my stash, and then I'm just going to spell thankful. Now the B actually came from, I believe it's an older embellishment add-on kit. Yes, from ScrapRoom Kit Club as well. So I like storing all of my past kits together so that I can pull out some of them and use them for current kits. Now this is where I had a lot of fun because of the stickers that were in this kit. As you can see, the top right paper that I cut out, the 3x4, already has some items on there, and then here's just some more close-ups. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys another day. Bye.